Last week we prepared our perennial fruit garden for planting. This week it's time to work on the vegetable garden. We planted the entire garden in winter wheat last year as a ground cover. We're going to till most of it up, but keep this thickest patch on the end so we can feed the chickens. Got the garden tilled, it's time to go pick up some seeds. Got the goods. Well, we just got back from the feed store. I bought a pound of white onions and a pound of yellow onions, and that's what we're going to plant today. It's only early March and it's way too soon to be planting most of the things that are going to go into this vegetable garden. But one thing we can plant today are onions. They don't mind the cool weather. Since we're going to plant them underground, we don't have to worry about frost. And so this is what we're going to be working on today. Now you want to be careful not to plant onions too deep. Really just below the surface is best. To get a large onion. So you want to treat them more as a leaf crop than as a root crop, and really give them a chance to get out above the soil and get growing. Onions should be planted about 6 inches apart in rows that are about 12 to 18 inches apart. You know, make sure the onions are just barely under the soil.
Your system, farmer?
1.5 feet. Oh, what's this? Oh man, an ancient Indian artifact maybe, maybe an antique. I pulled this out of the dirt. Oh, that's gonna be worth some money. That's so exciting. Look at that, living history right there. It must be an old Cherokee word. It says Walamart. Yeah, that's it. Ancient Cherokee right there. It's probably an arrowhead, you know, probably something of historic significance buried in the dirt throughout the ages, but we found it. Maybe we'll take it to the Antiques Roadshow. I think we'll do that. Maybe see how many millions this little gem is worth. you go, 2 pounds of onion sets planted. Next thing to go in the ground will be some of our cool season crops such as lettuce, spinach, and cabbage. Check out this watermelon seed we planted about 9 months ago. It'll be ready to harvest any day now. If you click this button here, a magic unicorn will appear.